Hello everyone, I am John Peter Sidwala, one of the youth leaders of Progressive Agrarian Reform Beneficiary Multipurpose Cooperative. As a young farmer, my vision is to engage, equip, and empower our young farmers to develop further their abilities and identities as a primary actor in productive and progressive way of engagement in agricultural sustainability. As young leader, we need to be more responsive, creative, and innovative in this present situation. We must remain strong and firm despite of many challenges we face due to climate change. Furthermore, we aspire to stand and lead as a modern example of a young people who are dedicated and committed, also giving our best effort to sustain and grow. As the next generation of leaders or soon to be managers within our cooperative, we are determined to lead with integrity and responsibility to achieve the brighter future that we dream of. Lastly, in behalf of my colleagues of our BIMCO Youth Organization, we would like to thank ASEAN Farmers Association for your unwavering support and giving us a huge opportunity to manage and develop our business enterprise. Thank you and God bless.